Hello everyone, this is a video about how to create a circuit for RPS in Electric Circuit Studio app. Generally, RPS is a device which is used to convert a AC signal into a DC signal, and this is the black diagram for RPS. In this, we are using a transformer, rectifier, filter, regulator, and a load. Transformer is used to convert the input power supply to some voltages. It is used to reduce the voltage at the input. And the rectifier is a device which is used to convert the AC signal into a DC signal. It won't produce a complete DC, it will produce the pulsating DC at the output of the rectifier. And the filter is a device which is also used to convert the AC input into a DC output. And it is also won't able to produce a complete DC. There may be distortion in the output of the filter, so that we are going to regulator. Regulator is a device which is used to form a constant voltage at the output. If there is any change in the input, it won't cause any change at the output of the regulator, so that we are going with the regulator in this device. And the load, and this is the circuit diagram for the regulator power supply. And this is the we are using the components like transformer, bridge rectifier, smoothing capacitor, regulator, and a load. And the transformer is used to reduce the input voltage, and the bridge rectifier is a device which converts the AC input into a DC output into a DC. It won't produce a complete DC, that it will produce the output as pulsating DC. And the smoothing capacitor is used to minimize the pulsating of DC voltage, so that we are using a smoothing capacitor here. After that, we are using a voltage regulator. Voltage regulator is used to get a constant voltage at the output, that is DC output, so that we are using a voltage regulator. So voltage regulator is used to anywhere there is a change in the input, means it won't cause any change it won't cause any maximum change at the output, so that we are using a rectifier here, voltage regulator. And this is how the voltage is being reduced step by step. Here we are giving a 220 volt input, and after the step down transformer, it is reduced to 12.5 volt. After bridge rectifier, it is reduced to smoothing capacitor, it is reduced to 11.7 volt. And after a small intro about RPS, I have entered into the Electric Circuit Studio app. In this, we need a bridge rectifier, so that I am getting the components here, rep components. We need a bridge rectifier, so that I am choosing Grates bridge here, because there are Grates bridge only available here. I am choosing that component. After getting the Grates bridge, just align the diodes in this order. And in RPS, I need the transformer, and this is the transformer, and the source. This is the AC source. After that, I need a voltage regulator, IC748 voltage regulators. This is the IC748 voltage regulator, and a voltmeter at the output to see the output. And capacitors, and the load, resistor. So finally, I have got all the components we need. Finally, I have given all the connection in the regulator power supply. In this, I have given the input voltage as 120 volt. Here you can able to see the amplitude as 120 volt. And if you need to change the capacitance range, means just by clicking those capacitors and touching the settings icon, you can able to vary the capacitance range. In this case, I need to know the voltage across the load, so that I am just enabling the show value settings and hiding that. So for that, I am going to run the circuit. In this case, I am getting the output voltage as 5 volt DC. Just wait for 1 second for voltmeter reading. The voltmeter also shows the same value as 5 volt DC. There are two types of regulation in a voltage regulator. One is line regulation, and the another one is load regulation. Line regulation means if I vary the input, that won't cause any change across the output. Load regulation means there are two types. One is with load and another one is without load. With load means just by having a resistor across the output. Without load in the condition, that's just by removing the resistor across the output. First, we are going to see about line regulation. Line regulation means if I vary the input, means that won't cause any change across the output. So that I am going to check what will happen when I change the input to 110. there is no change across the output. It also showing the same output as for 120 volt. If we vary it to 130, what will happens? In this case also I am not having any change across the resistor, that is load. So for the, and after that for with the load regulation, in this we are having a with load and another one is without load. With load we have seen for with resistor, and without load, if I remove the resistor, then is the condition for without load. In a without load condition, we may get a maximum change across the output. Maximum DC voltage will be occur. Yeah, there is a maximum change. It is changed to 1.6.26 voltage. The nearly 1.26 voltage is being increased. In the case of load regulation without load, we may get a maximum change across the DC voltage output. Thank you.